Guys, so this is a quick tutorial on how I made this wedding dress. We did the draping, this is what it draped, and then we used embellishments, pearls, stones, crystals of different sizes to embellish the dress on a two fabric, skin tone fabric. So this is what it looks like, and yes, we had to hand stitch it on the fabric, and yeah, these are the parts. We also made a cup for the upper part of the dress, and that's it using a nude fabric. And yes, this is like the finished work of the dress. I hope you like this video, and I will show you what she looked like during her reception when she wore the dress. So beautiful, so beautiful.